Taimee, thermal and acoustic insulating material from finished leather waste. Taimee project was born from the desire to solve the problem around the waste generated within leather sector. Moreover, Taimee project wishes to introduce into the market an innovative insulation material in order to reduce the environmental footprint in the building sector. The leather sector generates around 30 kilograms of finished leather waste per ton of skin processed. This waste is nowadays mostly diverted to landfills. In the past, natural insulation products have struggled to enter the mainstream of the building sector due to the incorrect perception that they cannot compete in the area of performance or cost. Natural insulation shows various benefits, as most of them equal or outperform many man-made insulation products in both categories. Leather has sound acoustic absorption and thermal insulation properties, which are also present in leather waste. These properties make leather waste a good material to be recycled and to be used for the first time as a raw material for producing an innovative insulation panel. The Taimee project developed an eco-friendly isolation panel made of recycled leather for immediate application in the building sector. The project set up the industrial methodology required for the efficient processing of leather waste with the objective to introduce into the market an innovative environmental-friendly insulation material. The outcome of Taimee project is an innovative acoustic fence that can be used for all types of roads and also for the acoustic protection of gardens. Leita Technological Center, which coordinated Taimee project, brought its vast experience in the development and achievement of the Taimee product.
Nowadays, the tanning sector and the leather goods production industry, such as footwear, furniture and automotive sectors, generates large amounts of finished leather waste that are directly sent to landfills and incineration sites, with its consequent environmental impact. From this problem came a possible solution: to develop an insulating material by setting up the industrial methodology required for the efficient processing of the leather waste materials and their reintegration into the productive chain. The result is the Taimee panel, an innovative leather composite material that provides insulating properties with direct application in the construction sector. To face this challenge, the first step was to find the right partners. We need an expert in every step of the process. Plasfi, an international company specialized in polyol-based material, developed an eco-friendly binder to ensure leather agglomeration. Cicla, experts in providing innovative solutions from recycled materials, has been in charge of the industrial production. Novatec, a technology center expert in the fields of sustainable planning and construction, was in charge of the exploitation strategy and the analysis of the potential markets. Once the consortium was defined, we had the handicap of the financial resources. That's when we decided to submit our proposal to the financial instrument of the European Commission called SIP Eco-Innovation. They would assume 50% of the risk if our project was innovative, environmental friendly and economically attractive. With the support of the EASME and the SIP Eco-Innovation program, we have been able to develop an innovative product to solve an environmental problem and to gain economic return.
The Taimee project contributes to a better use of resources for the insulation industry, to the reduction of the environmental impact in the tannery sector, and to an eco-friendly solution to reduce CO2 emissions in the building sector, in line with the European directives on energy performance of buildings and on environmental noise. The leather waste comes mainly from tanneries and from the production of leather goods in several industries such as automotive, upholstery, footwear or furniture. It is collected to be then integrated within the supply chain. To ensure its composition fits the requirements, it is necessary to control the substances the leather waste contains. In this way, leather waste has been characterized and homogenized to ensure that it becomes a good raw material for acoustic fence application. To agglomerate the leather waste, a special binder is necessary. The challenge was to develop an innovative eco-binder. Traditionally, agglomerates, polyurethanes, are produced from polyols coming from petrochemical sources. In this project, a sustainable method has been developed for the production by replacing fossil-based polyols with bio-based polyols. Plasfi, an international company specialized in the production of polyols-based materials, developed the binder necessary for the production of the panels.
En Plasfi llevamos más de 30 años trabajando en el sector del poliuretano. Hemos desarrollado como 350 fórmulas diferentes. Una de ellas es la resina que se va a aplicar en el proyecto Taimee y nos ha llevado a nuestro equipo de I+D a desarrollar esta resina de origen vegetal. Estamos hablando de aceite de ricino, aceite de soja, catalizadores, un pequeño porcentaje de MDI, y esto Marc nos lo va a explicitar.
Sí, bueno, basándonos en nuestra experiencia en sectores y utilización de aglomerantes para diferentes materiales como gravas, aglomerantes de caucho, incluso pieles, pues nos hemos basado en nuestros conocimientos para desarrollar una resina tipo de origen vegetal, con unos polioles base tipo aceite, como puede ser la soja y el ricino, y mediante un proceso de transesterificación hacer posteriormente el prepolímero para obtener finalmente la resina que nos servirá para aglomerar estos residuos de piel y posteriormente realizar los paneles en prensa.
The homogenized leather waste and the eco-binder are pressed together thanks to a unique technology. The waste material is shredded, mixed with a small quantity of eco-binder, and finally pressed with large hot plates. This allows a perfect control of the density and height of the panels in order to obtain homogeneous and self-supporting panels. The production process of the panels was done by Zikla, a company with a great expertise in traffic solutions made of recycled materials.
Zikla se incorporó al proyecto Taimee para aportar en él la gran experiencia que tiene en el desarrollo de productos reciclados. En este caso nos encontrábamos frente a un residuo muy bonito, que es el residuo de la piel. Lo importante es dar con la tecnología necesaria para poder transformar este residuo tan interesante en placas. El material, como se puede ver, es un material muy flexible que se tritura a un tamaño de 2-3 centímetros aproximadamente y que luego, mediante una tecnología de platos calientes, se transforma en placas. Las placas tienen 2 metros por 1. Una vez que la resina ha reticulado y la placa tiene la rigidez necesaria, ya se puede retirar del molde y pasa al acopio para su envío directamente a obra.
In order to optimize the insulation and isolation characteristics of the panel, several parameters were tested. First, the acoustic parameter being the sound absorption capacity. Then, the thermal parameters such as the thermal conductivity. The mechanical characteristics were also tested, like the dynamic stiffness. Last, the fire performance and other physical properties such as density and water absorption were also tested. This testing part was ASCAM, a technological center specialized in research and development activities, such as the construction sector.
L'Eurecat ASCAM és un centre tecnològic català de recerca especialitzat en tecnologies industrials. Els assajos acústics que hem realitzat demostren que el producte Taimee presenta un bon comportament com a absorbent i aïllant acústic. Des d'Eurecat ASCAM també hem analitzat les propietats ambientals del producte mitjançant una anàlisi de cicle de vida. Així doncs, podem concloure que el producte Taimee, en incorporar residus que d'altra manera aniria a l'abocador, genera un estalvi de recursos energètics i materials.
Made of 100% natural materials, Taimee product is an innovative and eco-friendly acoustic fence. Taimee product is a self-supporting rectangular panel which contributes to saving resources and energy. Last, it does not need any packaging. Taimee, thermal and acoustic insulating material from finished leather waste.